For the next step, we will be doing a surface high-speed dynamic OptiRough with rest material. This option allows Mastercam to calculate the cutting passes on only the stock left over from one or more previous roughing operations instead of the entire drive surface. This toolpath uses 2D high-speed dynamic mill machining strategies. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths. From here, hover over Surface High Speed and select Dynamic OptiRough. Select the solid here and hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is done, we have to establish the containment boundary as well. Select this icon here. Select C-plane and grab the top line here. Select OK when done, and select OK once more. Under the toolpath type, we want to make sure that the containment boundary stays inside as opposed to from outside. We also want to make sure that it's roughing and not finishing. Come over to the left-hand side and select Tool. Select Library Tool and Filter. We want to make sure that our tool diameter equals 0.1875 and hit OK. We're going to grab tool number 331 or the 3/16 bull end mill. Select OK when you have this. Insert the comment, rough out the remaining area. Once you have the comment in, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Parameters. Under Cut Parameters, change the step over from 45 to 15. Change the step down from 10 to 140. Change the step up from 10 to 20. And change the minimum toolpath radius from 40 to 15. Once this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Rest Material. Turn it on and select Roughing Tool. Change the diameter from 1 to 0.5 and change the corner radius from 0.5 to 0.0625 and hit Enter on your keyboard when done. Come over to the left-hand side and select Transitions. Under Transitions, make sure that these values align to that of your training material. Come over to the left side and select Steep and Shallow. Also, make sure that the Z depth is turned on and the maximum depth is -2.75. When you have this, come over to the left-hand side and select Linking Parameters. Under Linking Parameters, make sure that these values align to that of your training tutorial. Also, make sure that Full Vertical Retract is turned on. The last thing is to come to Arc Filter / Tolerance. Turn on Line/Arc Filter Settings and change the line arc percentage tolerance to 70. Hit Enter on your keyboard. From here, select OK. This might take a little while to generate, so be patient. Once done, your toolpath should look as shown. Come up to the top and select Backplot Verify options. Select Stock Model and select OK. Come up to the top and select Backplot Selected Operations. Select Play or End. I chose to select End. As you can see, the toolpath will be generated. Come up to the top and select Verify. Under Verify, you can see that our stock model is represented here. Make sure that Workpiece is selected, Color Loop is turned on, and under View, we fit and isometric the part. Select the Play button or the End button. I'm going to choose to select the End button to speed this up. As you can see, your part will look as shown. Come up to the top and select the Close button. Come over to the left-hand side and select Toolpaths up at the top. Scroll down and select Stock Model. Insert the name Stock after Dynamic OptiRest. Once you have put this in, select Stock Setup here, and go to Source Operations on the tab. Highlight both folders by selecting Control on your keyboard and selecting each folder individually. Once this is done, select OK. It will now process the stock model. Once the stock model is created, highlight Folder 4 and Folder 3. Come up to the top and toggle your toolpath display.